Hey, what's up? It's Daniel at Ape, and I want to do a quick little video, show you some of the features on the portable jib cranes that we make. So, portable obviously means it has to be moved. So right now it's in the stowed condition, so it's all locked together in that folded up spot. It's got these fork pockets, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and move it into position. Okay, so one of the interesting things about our crane is that it's totally air powered. So we have this hose reel here, which has got what appears like the wrong fitting for a hose reel. But that's actually just so we have some ease of plugging this thing in. So I'm gonna plug this in to shop air right here, and we'll be good. So we got shop air plugged in, and then this is a controller. So it's just, we got down and up. So we've got it dogged off to one of the pad eyes on the side, because this thing's all in the stowed up condition for travel. And then this switch right here is a swing brake. So this, when it's on, prevents the main boom from swinging around. When it's off, it allows it to swivel. So all we got to do is we'll slack it down and unhook this from the pad eye. So once we've got it unhooked, if I go up, I go down, and then if I lock this, the lock right here for the swing brake, then the main boom right up here is prevented from rotating. So one of the things, because it's portable, sometimes the floor that you're going to set this on is not going to be perfectly level. If the floor wasn't level and that swing brake wasn't on, that boom is just going to swing to the low spot. So instead of this handle hanging exactly where you left it, it's going to go to the low point, maybe knock someone in the head. So that's one of the features that we have on ours, is this nice little brake. So you can turn it off. Now we can rotate it to go pick up our piece that we need to load up. Okay, so this test plate here, this is 300 pounds. We test them all the way up to 600 pounds for proof load, but because these units don't have the ballast filled up yet with concrete, 300 pounds is the most that we can safely lift. But all you got to do is, you need to put a magnet on. You can hook onto pad eyes. You can hook onto a shackle. It's really easy. And then so we'll just grab our part here, and then we'll just press the up button, and we're good to go. So now let's say I had to move this over to the table over here. I can just drive with this handle, push the unit over to it, and then I'm going to go down my down button, lower it on down. So I'm working here. I could just disconnect it, get it out of the way, just kind of move this over to here. And then I'll turn that swing brake on. So now the boom is locked. So I can just kind of let this go and know that that boom is going to stay right where I left it. So I think one of the coolest things about the PJC is that you could say you're working, somewhere between these two tables. Maybe you got a part that's, obviously somewhere underneath 500 pounds, but maybe it's not even that heavy, that it's just to aid in moving something around that one guy possibly could lift. But think about how much more you get done if you don't have to work that hard to do it. So, I mean, you can work in this 20-foot circle. You just got to run run an air hose to it, or even pull the air hose out of the hose reel, plug it into the wall. And you got a nice little jib crane to make your life easier. So let me know what you guys think.